One of the nice things about estimates in Trackfront is the ability to save multiple versions of a particular estimate. So let's take a look at this example. This is an estimate for a video project, and it is in the viewed state, which means we've already sent it to the client. They've already viewed it. Now take, for instance, a situation where the customer may say, hey, I'd like to see one more different way of quoting this project. I want it, maybe a higher end version or something like that. So one of the nice things you can do rather than create a brand new estimate is you can take this estimate and save a new version. It's this icon down here, or up top you can see it's the same icon up here. So either one, if I click on them, and what would happen now is this estimate gets duplicated and saved as version 2, which is indicated up here. So you have version 1, and now I've created a version 2. Now I can go into here and simply, let's say I wanted to up some of the budgets in here and make this 16 hours and give them a different version. And notate that this, this will now be the higher production value version. Now these in essence are two standalone estimates that are kind of grouped together here all in one place. So it just makes it easy for the client to see multiple versions of things. So if I was to save this, and if I go back out to the dashboard, one of the things you'll notice is there's a -2 right here by the estimate. Now if I was to go ahead and send this to the client, I'll show you what their view looks like. Now over here on the client view, they see the original proposal that they were originally sent down here. However, now up in the upper right corner, they can choose the second version that we just created for them, and now see that version if they wanted, which is the higher production value and a different cost. Now they can approve either one now, and then now they have a choice. And you're not limited by any means to just one version. You can create multiple versions, 2, 3, 5, 6. It doesn't matter how many you want. As you can see down here, there was 3 versions of this estimate. And this is how you can see on the dashboard whether an estimate has multiple versions, is if there's a dash and a number after it. So if any one of these here is treated like an individual estimate, and you can switch between them very easily here. So nice feature to have versions and give you some more flexibility in how you quote your customers.